displaying data from the SQLite table in the Python programming language. Hi everyone, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we will select the data from existing table called product and printing the data in the terminal as an output. So let's get started. As you can see in this case, we use the print function here to print PID, PName, price and quantity. And the \t is used to add some tabs between the column headers. Also we added \n to add line break. Then we select the product table. The select statement is used to select or retrieve the data from one or more tables. You can use this statement to retrieve all the rows from a table, as well as to retrieve only those rows that satisfy a certain condition or a combination of conditions. After that, we created a simple for loop to display the table rows from the first row that has index 0 to the last row that has index 3. And also, as we said before, the \t is used to add some tabs between the column headers. Also, we added \n to add line break. And finally, we placed the close function after all of that to close the connection process. Let's run this file to show the output inside the integrated terminal. Immediately after running this file, you can see the final result inside the integrated terminal. You will find out the table that we have inserted inside the entire database. And it holds the same values that we have included, and the same data for each column. That's it. It is very simple, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself. And if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible to provide you with support and assistance. Thanks a lot for watching. See you again next lesson.